Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Just wanted to go through a few setups here today. Market, this is if you look at SPY here, it moves really nicely today. It got bit oversold here. If you look at it, it really got nice oversold bounce here today. Uh, so this got oversold around 200-day moving average, and it came here some horizontal support. That's when we started to see calls volume here. If you are one of my followers or premium members, you did get see how I turned from bearish to bullish. We are short-term traders. We don't care what happens in the long term. It's because we will adjust our position according to markets and the options flow. So this is when we started to see some 218 calls here at 46 cents, 10,000 contracts here. This is why we highlighted to our members that although I did not add any, I said small bounce is not possible, and SPY if we can get an oversold bounce. So this is why we started to highlight that this thing is getting oversold, and then bingo, today this thing it moved up nicely and we got a nice oversold bounce here. If you look, you can see here it really bounced nicely today. This almost up $2.33. So this is pretty cool here how it played out of the options flow and everything. So really nice bounce here, and we closed our short position, and then it really bounced here, so we took advantage. Again, this is a short-term view. The market can be down even next month or at the end of next month, anything. Yeah, there are so many other things to take in consideration. You see this line, you have to keep an eye on this downtrending line. What happens here? There is a resistance here to at 210, 211. So you have to see how it's playing out, how the options are. This is why we look at multiple things. So this is what we are looking at right now, if it bounces or not. Also, we are trading a lot of individual stocks. One of them we highlighted, this one, Pano, PANW. If you look at this stock, this has been the top stock of last year, and it pulled back. And then I keep an eye how the sector played out. You know, this is a security stock like FAE and Hack and Cyber, and this morning this was up like by $4. That's as we have highlighted to our folks. This played out nicely as well too. So if you look at it, how it got oversold. This is why we look at overbought, oversold, and how this thing is playing out. If you look at it, this is the hammer. This is why we follow like the candle pattern. It's just not, again, you cannot make money just only following options volume. Maybe you can get it 50% right. This is why we look at candle chart pattern, overbought. It got big sell-off here, and then this was nice hammer candle. That's when I started to look at this bullish candle, and nicely today it played out here. And although it did pull back intraday, I can see the whole view. If you look at 5-minute chart here, nice action. If you look at 5-minute chart, it opened at right at 10 o'clock here. If you look at it nicely, it's up. It pulled back a bit, then it bounced up. So this was a like really good mover for us. Also, some of you other members requested me to show our chat room how we do business. If you look at it today, we just nailed it. This is our chat room. This is our live chat room, what's happening, and this is our watch list and position. You have a mini chat window here. Look at it. This was in our watch list, so it's not like randomly we are coming. And we always add extra in our analysis for our members. For example, there are a few setups that we have traded and alerted our members. We don't just trade options. We alert support, resistance, and chart pattern, and many other things we take in consideration to make the big money. Another one, right at open, I said cores at support. Look at what happens. This is what support resistance pay big money. This has opened. This is course daily chart. Look what happened to this stock. It opened right at support around 44 area. Also, this is a 50-day moving average, and then boom, this thing moves. It's moving. It's up almost like 3% here. So this was a great mover, and those technical readers they took a nice position, and then it really played out cool. Also another one, ARMH, it is holding horizontal support. This I highlighted at 9:32 a.m. Look at what happened and saw calls last week. And then this is the technical part of the alert, and this is what I have posted in the watch list right here. We saw October 46 calls. Although ARMH, it did not have really a big bounce, but it did bounce nicely off low. You have to, if you look at 5-minute chart or 10-minute chart, look at what happened. This is where it opened. This is when we said this is support here. This is where at August 10 it opened right here. This is where we say we saw support and then call volume. This is what it gives double confirmation. And then how it played out, this is the line that played out. It is more than randomly auctioned. There are, just look at it, how this line just played out smoothly. So this is why we have highlighted the call volume at 9:32. This is live from chat, not like randomly. A few of the people have requested me to show how it works. At support, and there was calls volume, and this is boom, nice action. Also we added above 10-day MA can go higher. So we are looking at it if can push through 10-day MA here. So another one I highlighted right at 9:38 a.m. Look, Amazon hitting some resistance, small put, a small put option if you like risk, and then there was another one at 9:40 a.m. got to pull back around 5:30-31 and keep below the MA. So if these conditions meet, you hold the position. There we saw put volume last week, but this was a technical play. Look at what happened at Amazon. This is 5-minute chart. Amazon. Look at it. What happened? This is right. This is August 10, 2015. This is 5-minute chart. This is where it happened. Around 5:31, it tried to push around here. It could not. And then we alerted. These are all a short-term play. What happened? This thing opened at 5:31 and it tried to break 5:32. It could not. It pulled back. And why did it pull back here intraday? Around 5:23. So it's just like around $7 move here. Any of our, we have so many short-term players, they made nicely 150 to 200%. So this is what our members like, technical alert, and if we see options volume and stuff. So this was a nice play again today. And also look at it. This is one of the wild name we highlighted. This is what we have posted in last 1 hour from 8:52 a.m. to 10 a.m. Look at what this is what we highlighted. Only block alert our members got at 9:45. We highlighted only one call. Look at it at 9:45 a.m. we saw this 3,300 calls block. It was got bought at 110 and it got oversold. That's the technical interpretation, and then that's when I said this is a wild name, and wild name have seen some strength today in the AM. What did OS did since? Remember 9:45 was around here. This is 10 o'clock. 9:45 was I think around this candle here, and this thing has gone for a straight up 10% or 11% move here. So this is how it almost played a lot of our members nicely. So this was really turning out to be a great day for us. And then we saw here cake at 10 p.m. we saw put there was a block of 13,000 put block, September 90 put got blocked at 90 cents. So if you look at it, cake, what happened? And then here there is always we add to add confidence in the trades of our members, we add technical analysis so that it's not just the options block. I said hitting resistance. It means if something hit resistance, it can pull back. Or look at what happened to cake since the morning. Look at here. This is when we highlighted around 57 zone here around here 57. This thing has give back all. It pulled back almost like 1% plus move from 50 around 56.75. It came to almost a $1 short-term play. Again, it played to our members nicely. So keeping an eye how this market plays out. And it's not like every block alerts I want to show. This is all Pano. We highlighted ARMH. HRV got a nice bounce too. If you look at HRV, still is sitting. It's up 150% from our watch list from this. And then IP got a nice bounce too. Hack got a nice one. Only this has not worked. We did not highlight this one. If you look at here, we never highlighted this one here. PSX. It's because with all oil name you have to look at PSX. It's going higher, although we saw some put volume last week. We played for the pullback last week. Look at 10-minute chart. Although maybe okay, this one to show. We did play. This is what the PSX play was last week on 7th. We had the weekend. So 7th was Friday. This is when we saw the put volume and this thing just pulled back here, and we played this 80.50 to $71 pullback here. Again today with all oil name, this is going higher. So keeping an eye on overall market. SPY still, we have to see how it plays out as the rate change takes place next month. And also you have to look also how the chart pattern Russell 2000 working. This is really weak in a downtrend. Look at it, the straight downtrend here. This one, see it keep failing around 20-day and then it failed. So this is it developed also a head and shoulder. This is chart pattern here. So if you Russell 2000, if you played upside, you took a big hit. This is a head and left and right shoulder. You can never play bearish setup. We saw some put actions in indexes. Our view being a bit short here. QQQ, keeping an eye here. Look at here. Here is still, this is, it has lots of resistance overhead, so we have to keep an eye here how it plays out. All this level and this downtrend you cannot ignore. So let's see how it plays out, and please share.